Hey, this is for you travelers and tourists, both international and local. Get your flight ticket, do your hotel reservation, and book your accommodation before you get there. Diamond Traveling Agency will help get you visa information for wherever you plan to fly to, airport assistance as you plan to fly. We issue travelers insurance and currency exchange. For tourists and visitors, visit our carpool and rent a car of your choice. Teammate Traveling Agency is the most reliable traveling agency around. We are situated on your way to Mbalade, opposite Texaco at Wrong Point, Longcat, at the Cosmicum Building, door number 202. Visit and be served professionally. Call us on 22202985 or 95562869 to book for an appointment. Diamond Traveling Agency, simply the best.
Whoa! 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 Country people for Mogamo, for Whitcomb, for any side we want to see this station. They call it Mogamo Cultural Heritage. We na much TV. The man where they bring on the story, they call him Mogamo Cultural Ambassador. If you do watch him for your first time, may you subscribe, may you share, may you talk for your friends them about the Google News about Mogamo Cultural Heritage Station. For example, for today, it talks say waiting. It talks say any man where the worker, me any place where you day, me you make sure say you keep your footprint. This pineapple, it come on for any man where in the year, this story, say any place where you day, make you ask yourself, say which side my own footprint a day. Now we pineapple for Tori for today. Head for Tori na say waiting. Head for Tori and they talk say deal with antenna. It don't work sweaty for that's all Mogamo people. You where you do worker with family. Worker turn for coast. You know the agree, me your picking the no country dog. That means say they call you say come go. But she can say wait. If you are picking, they don't know your mother's tongue. That means say they don't sell you for coast. With it also, we antenna, and it tonton, and it take them. Go for Barrister Archer Kenneth. This Barrister Archer Kenneth, he too, if we gather Mogamo people. Say me the cash don't drink one cup. Mimbo, me with Tori, five Tori, because they don't say, when we be together, we don't feel four. When we be one, we go four. If we gather people for a compound, we knock Tori, we chop Nankon, we drink wine Mimbo, we drink wine. All kind of wine if it did. If it too much for day, we chop at you, now wait, it will not be chopped. All kind of country chop if it did. Mutumbo, if it come out. Tori be pass. Sweaty, they talk business talk for day. They talk kind by kind talk. All this talk now for say waiting. Say we will take Mogamo go before. We want come up for day. The man from the company when Barrister Archer Kenneth. It be open doors. It be NMA feel free. Mr. Raymond go when Mokuda president of the Walla branch. It be knock head for it be knock Tori for day. We be last entry from here. They will go visit another elite for days the way they come before. When I go hear the Tori. For this time, we will take when I go for Barrister Archer Kenneth for that side for Carrefour Sebeg. When I go here, Mutumbu way and be passed for day. We're not going to end for here. We the one talk for our country people say some that game where they play go for America, they call it say American TV lottery. This year, 26 people they be win for we center. So me man not miss the luck this time. We can't play lottery for we place. And for you for play that lottery, they don't talk this time say you must get traveling passport. That book where you must get that before you enter inside avion for Waka. They don't talk say you must get that book before you play that lottery. You where you like for play that American TV lottery. Start now. Go make your passport. No say before the say that August where we the open door for start collect document for prepare for play that lottery for October. Your passport won't come out. We play your lottery. Other people they pass they go. Sometimes this year, now a year. We not get plenty for talk. For say we pray for all we Mogamo people, for all we friends. Say either side where they did it, may God protect them for we. Because with God, all things be possible. The man where the Nakuna de Mutombo, na Mogamo cultural ambassador. If you don't see me, no say we don't go for go gather kako for bring them forward now. So thank you plenty. If you see my back, no say for tomato we will see them again. If you see the fine background where we did not to read for day. If you like forget your own country clothes like the one I wear up, or like the one the way you deserve for background, contact with for the telephone number for under here. Small time we will knock some mutumbu way they call us say fashion parade. When I go see all kind traditional wear them. When I go see how they disrupt. When I go see all kind where you did not come for ding we send your own nana so it is your side where you did. Whether you did for white man country or you did for black man country, we get them kind by kind. If you need your own, you don't call me for the telephone number where you did for under, we will send it for you. For small money, we throw away when I salute, save when I stay blessed. Bye bye.
Share the real example of relax. Never going to Churawa, Noah, but Kurongu, but Noah, but Churawa, that is relax. This is more than Gachinigamanga, is more than millions. We are a bit better, million bank, but million if you enjoyment. Yes, better, a better value in your life. Because at the end of the day, it's all about your happiness. You got to try at all the time here, you are happy. So, when Mama Bengam or we look at the teacher say, "Bay, and then from there, if you don't one gum, then you go good table. Me I go good table. Mokondola, normally chair table, no."
Yeah, you can see today is a relaxed day. All the varieties of meal is here set for people to eat, drink, and relax. This is time for item 11.
No one is no one can assume now what
This is time for relax. Time for This is time for relax, eating and drinking. Here at Barrister Acha Kenneth, this August day, the 20th of May 2021, marked another history in the life of Relax Group Bonaberi Douala. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Ce n'est pas pour celui qui veut. Merci pour celui qui veut.
Relax, yes, can relax. You know, I'm the corner, I'm the corner, Jimbo. I'm the jiggy. Relax. We are there more. There jug no mokane. I told you 10 ambition. Here goes your ane. Ikup. Bajak. The one there. And I knew to get him to have a one. Chip, you must corner. Nibit one job. Ne akabe fa all come drongo. But also come away now, you may touch your time. As a girl, yeah, try fireball, but never can. I will chicken you more. To one and move to benefit. And don't know, I know now, the John Tabongo, and do a little chimney. That will pay it him only. They told over more about you, I will see. So the John name better than more true, Gamon to get a Bamujum Nenga. Adam buy a butterfly, never more. Don't buy out again, knowing. Get a girl female business. Nay, body of angle. So because I'm a cover motivational ideas, employees, motivational ideas. Nay, the future. Other to improve our business, to improve our nerve, to go one down, you should not get a difficulty in that domain. I told me that Bamuj Mano, at least the girls in the back animal, house girls, house boy, house head. I want birth and never another. To get a moment to know in that time, to not set a washroom, yeah, because birth. To get back bone, take on it, train number quick, you should run a bird. Morning gym. The motivational ideas need to finish running around more patience in the Jaconica Bepe Angu. Nick Chimbi, Moko Birmingham Relax Group, much the agenda, the highlights, that group, Wangu, so no Mabine Karagam, Bosse follow Ngangu, then beat the Bambasa, Zundu name or Nunchi. Nichimbi become a motivation occur. I am originally a figure. Niacha Ago original could pay what our father money. Now, more fagazé, they do a chumna walkable. And money our family I will get advantages. Now, we'll go to Mocha, Nianya, one no munga. Wafaze fa je dun biche ndone awakawo atama fa ane wo wone fa menning fa aze etigoji fa je dun amanya gone me gone abamene fa aze biam wo atambara mo bitang no bidu jen anyumne amago egutimbe yadwo wọ́n mọ̀ kọ́ni ní túbọ̀ ŋa nàbí káàbẹ̀ níyẹn ní mìíràn ní tí ó sùn wò fẹ́ bí fẹ́ bẹ̀ fẹsẹ̀ yẹ sọ̀rọ̀ fà bí sika bọ́ ndé tẹ̀tọ̀ ká á ní ká fà because àwọn kan jí ẹ motivational idea nga faze amajina gone che ni ga wunda tere jembe bon be fa afa an wune che go zumbu ngangu aze buwai an wo buwai fekela ga afa aze bibo je ko boye e ko chi na ka be fa afa angu che be fa go do ne teze then butterfly mina wo fa be afa ne karfe an mo wo fa ne karfe ya me fa pete mo ga bore shan ze be wo no su ye be ne wo ko ne go fa awo lo so material wo mo ko yusi we mo ka cha be pe wo mo an wo ni che wo bra no man ni fa as a fa che wo be sure cha be ko ne ga tuwa ke je wo no fa jo ze be pe su be fa be so me awo fo ya sure am be fa fa ze ya mo fo no fa do wo we ata wo ne afi be wo ni go egun we wenyi kele ga afa ze ye etuchom amacha wo tan bo fa ya no manya nya ayi kam na be chiko ne fa ze wo be no bi fi be jeweji den nu mi mo be chiko so amane nu mo ka ga ye bon ni ga tia go ni ga mbo ne fa na bo ne tenu ne we bo mo ne ya wo sha nyi ya no nga ni fa afa amene awaya ga ni chimbe tibi ne ya ti kone mo tanga agum ne bebe na ni ga tenu fa ti mo fa ane akuchewe as mba fa de aye chichom wumbi talk ya ga ekuchi na wo chwe fa ga me fa angu makara we are smart ukaga amakawa betemo shi nganga donyi fo betwa ka betemo shi ne godwo bo mutoni ya specific chwe fa ya me fa fa jun me fa ke fa ke aw mo chwe fa ze aw kira me fi muri bagawa mbago tamashi mbago shin wen chaga wo shin we bunga be enwu bun fa nwe ndoke wo shu kambutin amacha chwe ne me wo yute titi gembe ga ga fo tamashi na ka ga kama si go chuje chendo e chuya chima bubu tamashi le mwakwa ko woni yakira chubi tamo ba mo fibi abo bon se kuro a tuko amanye fogo tamo ba mo a jene ma ba mo fike a chefitam u fi fashion of no no fike ande je foka che amu chwe fa abwan ka bu word ka bu word fa ke ga we u fi fa afaze ni be chembige ni kere ni akan hono awu be mo mo de awu fi tamashi nga shan donyi afi be no shinku no ka anyi u maga eje fi be okay bon se kuro awu be jene woso kenin ote chon duo aneke je me pe afi be shinku mta no ka ndo obe ga je be kuma maga che fini be ake ku chan fi rongu ni ga mo be shirite go no ka fi abonde bombo wa yinga ne chimege fa ni fa wo bo no de she jo maka won anon be we mo be gembe no ne then ma fa gam fo be se ma be sene amo chef abonwan ga ja chef agent wo fa ka be won wo fa na non e ani ko anyuma ke do anyuma ke so that mo fa be je ma ko fere ala je fere shin ogo mai ke je mai ne nyuma ke breze no go fere be sene tanenga relax mbo be ge wote relax so ya go umbe tuwe ni bembo ya gara amene wol fa aga mo fa ane awu pe na amya kabo mi ya kawe chinga wezin be kan salary mi ya kawe ya ni gunia e nyer mo no mbunga wotanfa normally wol fa amone afa wona muka gumba wona ka ndo mbako no ngongu apega bo momo awu tamashi mo bomo so wanyo jene kurowe busa ba tamashin a watambo margwatam fetagin go no wasu mafi agwenization timba makabe gamga wo fetagin bal matam fetagin go no agwen ya wo mo atambo mo bomo a wo so wanyo ji ba tam tunu kurowe mo magane mo ga abesin nan jinga wati ko cikin te akobanga angu e cikin nan ma wone fa makane Amak pe moi we ja gearbox ape we ja tikchom awone ne go jon tammo ta fa amat ko jon overall mat ke bene gera bam ala moi wo kam customer wo ka 20 awone ti jama de to shoni aboke ndo no mo customer 20 na wo 1000 ku customer fibi awo motivation ka we salary ma ba to tani wo choni mbine fe mo phone aga pe mo fa je sto de fe ka wa ye go jon mo phone ndo ye abeni ka ko chimo ni na ameya ka bwa wunyema ya no menga ni wufa ajine benebo ya mkara ka ne trust remember ka ne confidence amunu nwa fa ka wor mo ga wetu mini amanyi na trust aguma datunga no tamo de nwa wetu ni bon tamo du te fa to no fa fe ngo fi fo nam si sangwabo ngano dia atana ngwani rega mo bigambe fe atona che wona ne ngwa fe ninyi ne ngwa bia atumbe fe ko ko bigambe mo menga na ni gaga be masanga wo wona ne wo fi ngumbe wo ngwa bia igumi nga nongo meche mbaka sanga ibo ukoma be ne wo ye cha igumi ne bononga nongo meche tejubi so atana wo no wo fa ajaga mo ni che wo na trust ebo atena agongo azetu ya shingoze eche wo fa azena wo fa anyi chichom azetu ya shingoze ni ana I want and che wo get trust ago mo ba che wo ze fa mo bo wa we fa azena ni bende bo ani ni kwe e won wo te ga na won no ni ga amaka ni wo mo we te we fa ga mo awoje no mo bonga fun na wo fa an wo ze ndoni awbe ekom azini zebo mega awbe ni cultivate enthusiasm ga mara interest ni amers for biniga ayaze fa ni ga atani mo be peche we esusuwe aru pe mo for ko fa aze for no temo abiba one day zeka ko ni ga mo pe mbo fa se manager ni efa awuga make ni ga afa aze ayaze ma amana gu make afa aze ze fa na zama ubi fa afa andone nyambe mo nomga u fa afa ze dumbiye te upeneta eta mo ni penga fagara ya amo benu bra fa awo ka una mbe ya ga wanu wo shi ne awo sese be ya ba ga wanu wo shi no kane awo ya ba ga wanu wo shi no mbo kere ga awo ka una ga mbe no business won from this level to this level beke we plan amechi wa be ga no kopo no mbo bu na no ku mi ne bo ga me ene so I'll be able to then I can come no ye I will benya nyim meeting but not regular meeting. I've been here general meeting near one-on-one. During that general meeting I will be jininga group when both they are of the same level of information. They kill the individual level at a name of our lack come over for ako a bit chamber one gym. La azek ne azef alebot akoro na ango ne ufiga nande zem ngafa abon mo be nyai and so on bim mo be na ango ni aw keno jini afi chengu tanga no ze mo wo fa chichom de wona be fa chichom abo chema wonjim de ala mo no wa be fa anen mbi de ber ti be fa apenga aw fa apembi akoro aw fa ane mo be mati. Then I was a come bit but ni gambe afa anondo da me fa ne afa abe chembe the atane wo fa ne kamini bi la mo ko fa ye atana bi mini fa chichom abo ga no mu yaka ka ne amo pe nwa ko jaju afi mo fo jaju fo yetinga aka mo fa ze bo mo tanga akara gui rumbejim abe chuchu otamo atana chigum ojeti ka chine ko president ge na machi woni yeni be tejubo nwa wona ka betinga gwize akaramat ka chi kwa wona abo mo kurenjim na at least our recognition and if animal ka fa ka ne ani tibi chembe diga an mina ogere bar fa ka boninga na amana fa wa fa be fa and ne one if I'm in the Morocco Zanga as in me, I will carry her as in the Morocco, as in the Mercury. I will near as in the Morocco, as in the Mercury. For Kera, I will tell Mercury at our 10 Mercury town carry fire. Nation in Morocco said New Gun, and go near Mercer, you go to Canada. At time I wouldn't you go, boy. I will tell Mercury, I fit him when he carry Kuchin, I feel good. Nigga, I'm more far from me. Bia another. Although I changed them, they come up. Now, I want them, but what you get different talents. I must tell the one watching. Ne famina manamba wo fani wo mo ko ngasen atene mase nwangu atene magerengo bozo chi wo mo ko fa amoneka da ko gojine boton nwe gojine ka amakeze ma nwangu akeze ka amotan nen mo bigerengo nguna afine wati agam bosse si chembi ni pe anebo bon te nwe ngamone ya atana ni wo mo we fa ameneke we chumini kera atana me mo dwinwan enu be sha obuton nwa wo fa say individual mo get right ni live with life but nwa mo e chuo mini afiti abo wa ka chuo mini nga addicted throughout life mod tabe na at time bo na mo be go relax no te relax ani time to no relax am be ye chuo ndi become be ye for the two have become one but they don't they and bo chuo ndi dem go anga atana no work on the fire. I would differentiate between work life and identity life but obene live ama wanted to work babmon be maga esmos a chamber wunga chamber gomumbo bomot ani work rongu umeye refresh then do no go life abaze gwe ama na kwanyima moto chom bu mo de 2 years ama ja ganyim to chom bu gwete. So I'm a forsema watching and oh ye man with one be born. Nature away, table born. That told the beggar will have and I mean I live bo go jetty. But she permanent stress up, permanent demotivated. I'm going to live at time year back, be fresh and be ready. Nifa. Me more people going to live. Grongo at on common one I will live to be pay. I be go at a work explain it 2 life. A man is a future one come to be che come on, you try if I'm a baby, nango, mama, you know, when you my father, qua a 2 chum. Ninua, only money, Mamma now for man, a one or more room, come up and Namagama. And money, I will never buy for me, for any. Bomb, I be more intimate care for as a hope patron, like a fazi. But always the bunga taka gam choka. I would tell my national Godoni. I would chop back good term about Yenny. At I would tell me, second number tell me about a weird chair by example. But what would you want him? Ganoga, let us go in front chamber. Gambe ye to go big bobbin negazine. I war far. Nishin Wingam Tananga. Tikera between 30 and 60 atana war invest after 60 abeni chuchu other work out say fane koduk I was say jigumine war there's no invest after 60 but my minute to get a company ni tefa lower company 99 years bam otogo company 6 years is supona we jengo akamo powe company oba mbebe ogo the market ganga na wononga company we because ye etwa bibi ifo biche ebe tara atana a company our under was he and money our nega the petemo akabandam jinda nega from one shareholder they say on a partnership and when I want away business gabe continue and after you me mezeji atana ku business gabe boy then ni man gamara mbam priority in our life akete ru ye enu be no aguna kai nu jimi ti bifa awon nenu abiga pe babe Been very important. I know, been very necessary. I will know. I know my very important. Very necessary. I will say I will call on fact. Okay, they are very important and very necessary. I will say I'm going to call on was fact. They are very important and not necessary. I feel chabu wonder that for okay we fact. They are necessary because they are important, but they are necessary. I will feel fact. The man in the chair be necessary important. I feel no shoe we wish no far shoe. Jimaga ngawa maka relax. Kaya jam someone nwa. Abizo amecha zuwo afisa wongo. Amai na zuwo cha zuwo jim. Ezina zuwo abin muga de ko. Bogota maka waniga awojo mi na masondan. Zum abisi ni go compare. Amai fit chere mo ongu ze bon. Amai fit yusi jim ka gabu wondan shu. Ze bantu de gachi de gamnu monia. Mbate ba relax. Bonia what the time table show to go good news. Je mon ami akabo wojim.
Atam on gam on mo. Ya be tam. Maybe boga gaboga uchirumbu. Mwaya. Bi. Sinonga ngamba companies. Niga kuchega the ideals of a good employee, need manager employee, and like I'll also coin it the steps or the characteristics of a good leader. Niga leadership, a benefit leadership, everything that I do. So to be na ayakabo, nyayakakobo, and in gamu for prepare. Maybe yeah, this was a head speech of this item. Nigga, that was the climax of this item on the agenda. Nigga, on motivational talks. Yagam only we go take time. Kondi from wine about experience. Mere from what I say. Ni ye gamnane titi biagam titi tu biagam ona tita payment. Yami bomuneti bobo bugabuga iyakara ngweko jika ga iwe we are continue so that we are you so develop more kane
betum kumu ya ba Armstrong ba mai wanyo all protocol respected maga wo fiwa ba wajime mo ko chi no ti kozo tingama so brigo koro ba mo odo ko introduction ga last group le ba ton last group ba ye ni go ber di kuno ti ek biya ga maga ti yan nana ka tin nung go sen nana ba ber no yi ba ber ji ka ba fi no bi yenji ni ga ti chu da ber mo ko ma ka don no pa ni ga ma ko still ga in line ni ga our previous meeting mana no ga mo ongo similar to ngam tete no ga manga mana ga based on maybe investment go it's a novo Mulan Buckingham Palace. Mr. Moses, Maraka information or some more specifically, I want to know we have viable money. If you couldn't mud, then would be the number of Mokora, I could not yet come back to the fake. Mokomak will continue in that line. Common Agam last time, Christy Man Agam was specify some more landed work. Maka annual lunch one a year rigs, but life in general a rigs. Ti were more often paying a life using a rigs a year bear. After the corner was only not so showy, because you still rigs. You want to be careful no at the beneath the soil. After the corner was earthquake more no gas and those swoy a berry so I don't know my blue corny ramchi, maybe Kongam walk a bit Mr. Fowan come to diversify Mbamo resources, Mbamo source of income is very important. My again, again with example, like person like me. Mochi, you know, man, I know, Kumanga business, Mokonga phone repairing. The more repair, no phone, I Yinga, but Yinga, they put on your. You know, to kill no Cameroon, who got you were really training as if for no organic in life. I know the no niggas, the Eliza friendly cabinet, John Yinga Pufa. When I go phone repairing, no one Yemen shifts and year for phones, accessories, and so on. But the mature so like what he said, the mature so if you business from work boy repairing when my big banga repairing. Because even right at the moment no yeah big phone my say only phones for tongue no repairing. Be more a year I still remove tension from so much a good example of that diversification of the business. Niggas a may say buranga silver bagunia cheap ever laga when I ain't got business for that is one thing too. One thing the again got no land. When I am last time got land mo got this new layout at Target. At Target when you go Tico, new layout be bongo. But no more very come on be no that be very limited use. The pot I'm only using the investment. I a good investment. No, Bongoniga in the future, you know, Nick explaining pre-unique material saying nigga in the future. You come with land with account the kind of way you become a zonga 2,000 per meter square. You must say as if you got 10,000, 12,000, 8,000, you come what you want again. Not a new side will not have opportunity and from all indication, I mean the growth of our cities. I bring a zone where zone after a moment sometime will be a shift. Settlement be a tanga base because of the topography. I don't know but yes a settlement but there are land value in life the more land is being used, the more value more you could call the more you use land the more value more you could call. Likewise, like other commodities in life, no you use be a depreciate, but land when you use it, the value of the land increases the more. So I'm on the more people you settle, I know land will like people, but more no for people if you get to them. But as Zolan maybe 4 years behind, but Zolan 1 million to 1 million 5. But a young man, you better 1 million 5, 1 million 2 million 5. You will not get the land. 3 5 people area I'm on the move for 3 million 5. That's in without the space of 3 years. Value for multiply you can. So let's think this is. So I'm really motivated when I look at Bonaberi example. My first coming into this town was in 1989. Moche Bonabera when I was still small, no, in class 6 in primary school. Moche Bonaberi was I nap. Moche my first visit, my uncle in Bamboo Tools. More when near train railway. We ain't got game, my identify, my game, there just some single houses in that game, my identify. But nigga, like the people of the West, no, we really appreciate all that business. They had been up a better vision for Nepal. Bottom zones no Jimmy, because I'm a poor man, I'm a business, but one more of the but no, but toxic. But those people that have the vision, one I will be zones no Jimmy, I'm a poor man, this, I have also this, I have this, to right to the vision. I bring I have better West, I want a better vision. So it is high time that Bana, can we not buy that vision? Nigga, the person need look to that direction. So it is high time Bao Jimmy, to not say, then again, to one no business, but to one business to if boy and yet because when more taxes, maybe tax people they start coming but look at the other side. How do other people know if they can make up here? They interact with those tax people, understand the system, deal with it, and they grow in the business. Because we don't study how things, how it works. Sometimes we're not but it is not. But a good example like Borno Kilmu shop, building materials. When I arrived there, landlady would better land when I was building, why would I truck? But today, I am millionaire. I am who transform from the drop to a small casing of iron casing. From a small iron casing, you know, allocate a small space, just 2 meters by this. Then for not another shop, more person no more shop. I'm marani. One way free. I'm not going to supply. You got 30 million. He will do it. So I had the spirit not here laga in life. Nigga, I beg babo gamo to not sick. To know that spirit. My dear man, because my name round. Chimwa wamo onga can carry business. To work my corner. How many of us yet here involved in building work? But can you go to somebody that you want do me supply of cement, iron, nails, zinc, paint, and so who is here among us not taking the command board? No one. What is wrong with us? The bigger question will not then. You know, to inform you because with Kenkeri business, then you must be constantly involved in the business. In being Jim not to see berry. You can drill them to that direction. Advice you take a study in Aqua, I Chinese shop and name you send and name a packet back. When you go there and ask a price of a packet of nails, the price of nails, you see a great difference. With Kenkeri business is always 100% gain. Always 100% gain. And one packet of bulbs, you say, we are talking about one box only, maybe 10,000 francs, but I'm also paying about 40,000 francs. We retail and the buy blow how long? Be a blow on nearly daily basis, but it's a zone, nearly daily zone. Hammer, what you say? When you take a student, I'm a Chinese shop, we pay boy in Poragumbe, we're paying in wholesales. But little GTL research, we don't know about it. But I'm research where you understand about the business. So my the dream Bible, you know, that they should be business oriented, but very funny in business. In business, so I'm bank most of them. Then Timaganga, Chico zone woman, zone woman, told the woman. As on no way under high construction, man, but the Koran woman got quite a long with GRA. I am going to the norm be great just by the right, no cross or target by the right, the norm will be great, were very good. I bring them no be a Korongo. I bring them well structured houses. I bring it so as soon as one of you will know he wants to get into this business, maybe be advisor who will locate that's not easy. What you start now with, I'll go with the supply of cement, supply of iron, supply of nails, zinc, because we know where you corner, we are called zone iron, zone zone rot, the zinc. Bomb says minor thing like paint and other things that's small. But we know you heavily invest. I remove number name. This 4 item number name. That is it. That is it. So I assume those are business location. No, you be a boomer money because I'm a young man. I be calling you know high demand. You got cement. I be bigger cement. Bigger face cement. The one comes 43, but I going to be a finger 47. Look at the distance. It's just 15 minutes drive from here. Be finger 47, but I have 43. 43 I retail. I be finger we be a lesser price. Finger 43 maybe get 100 francs per back or 150 or 200 per back. But I'm born just small drive going with another 400 francs. So you look at the difference. Even iron, the same thing. Nails, the same thing. So they should have that courage in your business. There is nothing in business where you work by miracle. There is no miracle. We need to understand life and deal how things are being done. There is no miracle in life. So we need to tell them because it's not a miracle, because they are hard working.
Let's check. But over the Americana and the Pazum of the Daga, I am a noise maker, Megaman. And that time of man, I visit here, I can a noise maker, I can take a whatever, pay attention. Maybe Kogo President, welcome to Gamde, the first jury of court. And Bob also with teacher, all of us, because I'm a good wonder with you better experience, you feel any. Our business side, we not experience it, and I'm gonna the life now I live with people like this. The way now is gonna develop and so on and so forth. So Akoko, I am a company. Matimuch, I'm no time. I'm on the social media. There is information on it circulate. But nothing about okay. We got general about finger for beginning boom. After general finger, Mecha Compora, which is general. Was she majorly General Monsieur Dwassan, Baria General, was Shani. Oh, but a guy, Berucha, Lieutenant Yesan, we have the Ayibu bed. I was she went we wasn't out running with the General. Was Shani, Nakafe, Bola Boogie. No, let's look for Commandant Left Colonel. Becha Colonel Shimish, we was not any was not pick on by General was Shani way. What? So the wise men on the Nea became change and the chair, Master Wunga. They went and looked for his classmate. And that classmate was paying it away. Shime, Umbara, to go, I go, let me check up more. Master will do. So, these are my classmates that we started in GHS Baltimore in 1986-87 academic year and graduated in 1992. And we were just discussing among ourselves that we are a very troublesome group. Not troublesome, that we are very unprivileged. You know what happened in this country in 1990? And it took a while from going to support us for all of that. To remind coordinating them for the life. Maybe a corona, maybe a zone. So, you see, the one generation on the was so, but coming I can they have all to go to our man here, Sangawan. But I don't want to Bogamuku Quaga. I'm on the John with the two was ready. But Yabba walk got the move which I get. Jimmy Kabich, I want to know that you know. I got Shaku Mammy in a channel. More for me to watch the Yak, Chamaka said in them all my yard at Teto. But I'm listening now, this is what has taken place here. I've been by the killing. Till that one was a wood, till it is out, child over the tongue. Then you can reason like me. I would say we can give you a very big hand of applause for what you have done, Mr. Chairman. And this I can't go back but I did a 9 life from experience. Jimbo Korum comes to Ayaka, this is the last group that will now affect the school. I think we don't know. When you say about officer A, I tell you. I'm not coming at a couple. Before we go, I'm watching more. Send me. The Sibra Terrawa. We have to fight and take it back. I don't want to go to the story of Jerusalem. How did the Jews come back to Jerusalem or to Israel? It was piecemeal deal. And we are doing it, and I want to congratulate everybody. Small. I think we are doing a very, very, very great job. And if we are all together, I think we will go places. With how much I do, well, this day, I don't know where we're going. Do you have any time? So, just call me if you feel like to relax further after this, and you'll be part of the team. I have Bomba, I have Wandering, and I go or maybe boring or look at the mind of the president to go book tomorrow. To go to one yet, which is a machine or to and I can make more, I can wait at the man. The whole Budanga is the whole Mugamo, which means that Mugamo, they said the Mugamo as a force. We are no longer at village level. Today, because I want watching up or one watching up, that's a strong actually better. They are at work at Bunga, which village we are behind it. We got 1 year, but before I do Mugamo, all of us are behind without even asking the village. So, they are coming out to a child, but also not I can.
Mr. Ramongo, I am a Gema, I have put to fin. Gaga, my ye, e cha shi mo ma bia ko jige mbanu be no chendo wa ma kai jiwe abishi ni barbane shek ngamo abikere furmonga ana ta wo cha Mr. Fawa ma pe bati fishek e ti fini chi wo shanga ma ju tingam ta che bom ma ya gen te chongo tu bombanga again barkutu tingam ukam bitu ma kan ga bu wol mo aga tingam to ni dia ga ma nyin photo me ga nga chong ba mini ye tan ba go YouTube mo ga mo cultural heritage by next week tingam to jim te be chagun digitally ni ga amene aka missing gamo afri gwengu te copy e window ne mo kan buru Ghana mo ko te je te joshun danda amo pe ba ko ma nga jombiga aba ya ba meta alo ba mi ya ba meki e mo kitini ba meki bu to mo de be na mo gamo ga 40 ya ka mo ko na ga mo ber ko ni chuni ata chugo ne kitini dipinde no tanya nye wombige mo ko na ke mo jobu de be pe be tu bimbige bia mo pebe me di me ba se ni bimbi ya nga pu te tsanu ni shi che ba buwe ngo nji wombige mba fi mo fomba nini be ga tinga mo konsene ishingu mo ga be shingu mo ma ya me shigi na chu kondi ne ga wo mo ka fi kondi ga de fini e shi gonfo aya nyima chong wo mo wo fi beregot ni fi berengatu mo kwa e foti mi ya chuna ni ke mo shimye wonju ne ga bane be fi jobo ti jonga mo ako mbiye mo kwa e chu la go mo ni te me bekono te me ese ka be ka fo minini mo shigaga e a fo lo ko buna bigeni ke gunje ni gwi no se che panda abendebo me tu ba me ka me ba sho mo chu de me bon bi guchi mo bi gwi chana jika non ka je ne bo chana tu ne go ko ba di mo kwa de ne bi gwete kwa me tu te me je shiga chom mba fin danda me je shinga tonga be bon ana me jo ne boko but berka kam finish zone she no bo chana papa mo bo be chimsha nga ya mo ga mo kwata ana ga be be fango be timu nga be shako ana ya ka bo jiji benga ne ga te yi nga te few copies ana mo ga mo diary mo president wanga ni mo fini shi bunganu ale few copies mo ga mo diary benga ne ga ko rekere ne ga ben kitchen na no gungu president be chamiga mo na ya kanu
Grubu na wokarane anara mbaya tindi ban ngotini mbozon tiba bazon bojong 1990 bobo kurungo tiba bapu tiba bino anenga go bemenya akon boye lebo baje wanga angagu ne njonshi mori baji ma bunga so tango ayaye ngemo ana baji ma wabermo ko kaine na ya kanan chicken yakra chembige wakum aya relax group bane krashe aya baragamugam bara agamugo so ma boboa te mo no ni tagama te zetu jang gamugo ben te zetu jang we mo gamugo say so po yin kwa say nyamanga shaga de chembige jang we ben ko kaine me chikoni bombo ni te bebio ko woni timo gama wa ko chikoni le chuya dinga gama nga aga mo mbe nani je mo kondo che biga aga sha mo na ya ka bu woji wi ninga pa zo ni na a mi ya ka bu woji woni gama nga mo kondo ga te gama wu gama nga abo wo ne jugo abo wono jinga le tok abo wona na kubunga ma duonga mo kera mo ba mini ga ma nga mo shaga bofin apanu mo chawo bo shaga bofin apano no mo to no mo na am ya kanan bo chuni ayamba tangan ni gejon yamba vu je bon bo ga ma gam ga utani to magam gawe Buckingham tinga que magam gawo ba mo gamo que magam gawo mzavawa que magam gawo wamba ni fa jiga jiga fa an wujin que magam gamat que mo gawo we ba John ba fote bo bon tena ya ka bo bon bonini aga bebe ne o ga mo be ga ma cheko te jo je ba ga te bo bon anok o te bo mo ye ka ke tanga nyu mo ye chuwa te mo wo ne ga nga wo ne be ka ba ga ma ni aje jugo be chi wo mo ga ze ya bobo tere ka mo je ga ma ni chimbe jugo mo ko awo bi na ga kembe jugo no ni je ga be chi ka mi ni jugo chi wa ni bobo ni shangu aya ni gu ne ga ta ni ga sing be ato ga mo je ka ga ma ni wo mo be gwe de mo ngo fe be ko wa fi ga ma ni ga aja be je gu fa anewe ni wo owu mo we ni be wo ni sing be ngu ko wo mo gwe de mo fe be Kagate, opportunity for a no, to walk with you. The freedom of him, Kunning around what a number burns him necker any Beckerbanata, Bacazo, go. Take a cheap group, take a man whom was one able for taking him all or number. Yes, make it a more wood on one, near one, in a dance on, would say. Kukane, ayane ti buru te tu be te tu ta te tu kwe te tu ta te je ne ngambu ti go che ngamu ne ninga ngan wo ne be jo ngama ko munyi ngabu ba ne zure nanyu be zure aya ba chi be che ma wa foto woni ni te chuo ngama ninga che wa be kana relax group mo bobo trete mo yito na akanyu mo ngam gum about one down on la ni fese e pe kan mo ote anaga amanenji ga mo ogun gara aya ze bi bien ni chimo kam ni ga mo ne ba ne fo won bi a regini mo kara ken mo ton ke bi ga na ga awu gugu chukini aya tuwo ni ye bo mbe nu ye bon yi bon yi I will be the two be young chill, and I will better go more than big away. I took Kukane. Unga sugar more bomb in a butter chicken back on a comedian. A cover to go up. Because and the Megambe yang anning. I have condited with him one more chi, bitchy. Chenny wash up. I should go when I do war bit and be out away. So aniati chuonga bujuoni gamanu cho gamanu free gamanu body na we aga mo gamanji te be te gaje te be na but te be sango so ma gana zeya aya wono ni ke chuo shingani cha gere gaje be kana stress ko get opportunity ni stress wa ne moko no even we ko ni kan wo moko no ba ni ya shu ka mo bi ko be cha shu wi mi me ti te che wangu ko kan ne so mon bon abo manu jimni ti no cha yi fa nga abo ta ko jimni ti juwi bogo ti je manyu atozo de je me a je ne chugo ni ye ga man na wi me chi ni anyum ne nu jimni ga mi ga ya za je mo ga me be ga o kara je baka. We will live here more happy. Mbandigi mbiyete. Ti gendinga ti nyimbinya. Chuguni ti kaka ye. Aya chuguni ti beni gangoje. Jemo yin aya kabu woje wuni. Woka gano mo oniga te kwek. Adu wanda barasi yenga te chonse binu ma beka gno beka gniye beka gye. Mobile no pazo ni na aya ka bo bamini beka beka join zugo ni wu mucho ta beko tia makra wu mucho ta si don wo den ni wu mo be wu mucho ta de fe ko nu am fi mo nga wa je chuan wo da ka ye ko WhatsApp che wo jima ko WhatsApp ma yu de bo ni no nga wo yoro ambe se nga bang ama gam ni yen wo azen ne se na na ngo cha bi shimi shi ko jima manin e no ne ambe se yen ko ani aga group woni ni wo fo ba ku be se mo no wo she jang mo mi no go WhatsApp group je no ji ni te fi ga be che o yo je wi no ji so ni join aya mini contact administrator ni ga group wa jo ko go WhatsApp group ase jugo no me aya ga de be kara go phone aya ga de bi nu no tigu ka yo nyumo we mo shomo ko me tigu ja bin ongane ko ban we ne wo fi mo che jan go yen go tigu ba aya ba jijin amani a shi yi anga moto shi for kopo ti amani go WhatsApp group so wa secretary the mbabar mo menguni amaka ni join group woni ni awo kota go meji wo number awo se jo nu minute ga but ti ta mo ako ti am tutu mo ti am tutu mo aya wa ku ji wete mo ko wona wo ngo secretary ya me go WhatsApp group no so ni join wa abeni jiwo mbama order ago WhatsApp group ni ya secretary keri aya wonu baraga nu minute mo nga ti dago to ne ga maka mbege ko te be mo mbe secretary krene nige mo nga nu mbejim ti yu to wo secretary be mo wa ne be ne te fri adonga ne be ne te fri shangi de kete te fri kigemu so mo mo no sinaga mo ga no ti te jore wa fi mo ga ma nu anu fonga aya mo kam ni declare officially because mo mbo fon le bonaberi ya pa sama ba ta nyini ba keri o se America and nene ara dire gerbe mo America ale we mara karamo go fon ga mo jaga tuko ni jaga ye ma bomba dwengo ten abongo mo jon mo fon ya be na abonwa wa mazia ya bia vorvori so me en woze enu me ke ku fa ma afo me enu mo officially de bar mo aya ma ne me tigni go ba na bu pe mo be che kama ga ne so aya show kama ga na go mo announce but ya show tigni ti anga fotu ni bonga be kenga mi mo go ko because kai shi ngo zo bona bere ya go ni wa gere meeting mo ga mo meeting ya bona bere so anaya mogamo meeting ule bona be official avenue ni announce go tire don baraga tin ni wo kaya woni ga announce wo ga mo obamo te be je bani wo kaya for chief for me but for president nya maga president ja ka maga wenga before wenga ya mo president ya benga no yes yeah wenga ya mo so bani tigani wo kin wo kam ni ndoze ngansin aya bani ke lo mi agbe wa aga mo man ga be to sha ada mo wa ma sha ja chu mo nje bere be mo bom ye but then e tin ne ja ma secondary school period almost 45 minutes to go high school as 2 hours and I think the block here be na am spend this unga be so ke woni green ti ma ke won university because I go so and it to need to exist nature ya no bere mo on coordinator nature no bere mo on secretary aya chugaga ani kondi ganje te no adamo yu nu chigni be beni gu wona jo we job te bisa mo menga group o andi de nu mo chigni be beni gu biga mo kujeka chuga ye aya chigni society beni kopo because anyo ne mo fi won ga introduce we president Marga we am for 20 years. Bawe Maria for gaga aya raisonner tigo njije ka fa san yi since. The future was said, neighbor more, we na afiri to ni ga megiti. Ja bonga me tie fi to your couple here, no be your couple but you drive am offering box. They have only owners go where job. And the guys don't tell the bon moko but mo me kere me dera mo ya se krukani ga mo chigu mo. Bichuguni anu mo ko bete mo kuni mo ni ga che ana che ka garaje ni ga aya nu mo be ga ga njite de se tiewa njite ni kunu mo ni fa no am fi mo we wa fi mo ga nga che maranga ana barista fongarba biko ake wona ga banga nje je ga ye ti bobo bara marwe nga a che maranga bichuguni aya nu wo mo ne je wa ba ojim ngo maruku ugo win ko anyim ni de chu on go jun amari abo borbini kai ole bonena angam na nga te gama kai ole bombine gaira wa bara bo bormone a be gama beti betani bo fa be chopo woka so chi ngoni te gama nga ni chewa mara we singa mo ne we chinya be chi beria aya shu Saturday ani ango marko nega mo mbine go maga afiri tuoni te nyimi tiago nondini chake amutu mo kama ye aje baka bajige bechigoni ayanga kunyumo go ni ya wa fine bo na ngo marku ya se tuya che wanu mo oni makere ni ga de fa agun che wanu I don't know aga mo kan manji maga te wo chamba jim mabia wanu we aga mo man manji te ga te chopoka gi chabo maga wanu we aga mo man che wanu mo anyway chima fit mo ni ga wanu mo chaga te get a group wo mo get ko ni mo nga wo me inga ayaga mo me ni ga ti a che mutu ni che mo ga de fu ti anga wo